Hey there, welcome back to Expat Living. If you're dreaming about moving abroad or just curious about what life could look like beyond your current borders, this channel is your new best friend. So today I'm giving you an inside look at one of Madrid's best hidden gems, Parque Canal Isabel II. Nestled right in the city, this place is a daily reminder of just how livable Madrid truly is. Now I get it, when most people think about living in a European capital, they picture busy streets, old architecture, great food, but maybe not this, right? A massive green escape with space to breathe, to move, and to just be. This park is right in the middle of the Chamberí district, just a stone's throw away from all the urban hustle. A step inside and everything slows down. Now let's talk amenities. You've got multiple football fields where locals play pickup games at all hours of the day. You've got basketball courts. You've got volleyball nets. You've got ping pong or tennis, table tennis. You've got actual tennis. And yes, we have Madrid's favorite, paddle courts. This place is buzzing with energy, but never feels overwhelming. Next up is the gym, right? Even the workout game here is next level. The outdoor gym setup is like a functional training center under the sun. And it's totally free. No subscription, no wristband. You just show up and move your body. It's got every single machine or exercise that you could possibly think of. At least I could, right? It's incredible. And it's a big part of the way people operate outside of their homes. You'll see people of all ages doing yoga, stretching, playing on the playground, walking their dogs, training for marathons, or just casually strolling with coffee in hand. This park is all about balance between movement and mindfulness. And it's not just for athletes or fitness junkies. If your vibe is just more relaxed, there are shaded benches everywhere. Just grab a book, people watch or meet up with friends and let that afternoon just drift on by. Okay, can we talk about the infrastructure for a second? Clean public restrooms, check. Drinking fountains, check. Water fountains and places to sunbathe, check. Actual restaurants and cafes inside the park, double check. This just isn't just a green space, it's a fully functional piece of the city. There's also a full running track that loops through the trees, wrapping around the fields and courts. Whether you're training or just need, time to clear your head, it's the perfect space. This is where Madrid really wins. These parks just aren't an afterthought, right? They're not. They're part of the city's DNA. They're clean, they're safe, they're vibrant. And for expats like us, they become part of our daily rhythm. My family comes here all the time. It's where we reconnect. We burn off energy, we reset after long work days. The kids love it. Our Chewy, our dog, she loves it. She lives her best life here. And honestly, it's become one of our favorite spots in the city. So if you're considering a move to Madrid or frankly anywhere abroad, it's not just about the visas and the paperwork. It's about moments like this, parks like these, spaces where life just slows down and you get to enjoy the little things. Well, there you go. Thanks for tagging along today. If you found this helpful or inspiring, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We've got so much more coming your way, from navigating visas to picking schools to finding your dream home abroad. And hey, drop a comment below. What kind of lifestyle are you hoping for when you move abroad? Also, don't forget, grab our free guide on relocating. It's linked in the description. Until next time, keep dreaming big, and we'll see you here on Expat Living.